This flash is not working. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it's not looking too good. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but let's just continue to do weird stuff and hope that it looks cool and go from there. These look absolutely trash. So today we are going to do something once again that we have never done before. We're going to do motion blur photography. Now, if you don't know what that is, I'll give you some examples. It can look like this, or this. But the point is, it's like a movement, and the shutter speed has to be like low to catch like both movements. So that's basically what we're going to try to do. Now, this can either be like really cool, kind of like different looking, or it can literally look like a blurry mess. We don't know. We never did it before. So that's what we're going to do today. So hopefully it turns out right. Now, if you guys have any tips on like how to do it, or as you watch the video, you see I'm doing something wrong, don't feel shy to tell me. Like, we're in this together. Leave a comment below on how you do it or what you would have done. That would really be helpful to me. And that's how we just build a community of people helping each other out. So now what we're gonna do next is figure out like makeup, what we're gonna wear, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and start that. So I put this dress on. I mean, this is actually backwards, but I kind of safety pin it to kind of give it like an elevated look because it was like a back out dress. So I just turned it around, safety pin it. Sometimes, like I said, you just got to get creative and kind of just add something to the photo just to make it a little interesting. So we're just going to see what kind of makeup we're going to do. I don't know. I'm kind of just going with the flow. I'm thinking like something black, like a black lip. So I don't know. We're just gonna try black lip, dark eyes, dark brows, and see what happens. Okay, so I know it looks kind of weird, but it'll work out in the photo shoot. Trust me. It kind of has to have like a weird look, so it looks like it's supposed to be weird. So right now we're gonna try to set up. I think I'm gonna try to use a flash, but I don't really know yet. So we just gotta keep testing stuff out to see if it works, what doesn't. So I'm gonna set the camera up now and see what to do. So right now I'm trying to get the flash to work. This flash is not working, and I don't know. I don't use flash very often. It worked before, but honestly, it's a little frustrating. I'm kind of tired of dealing with it, but I'm gonna keep messing with it to see if I can get it to work. So I finally got it to work. It was the battery, so now we're gonna go back to setting up the joint. So right now it's just blurry. It's not like shifty looking. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it's not looking too good. I just feel like this is not turning out the way I really wanted to. It's honestly kind of ugly. We're just gonna do some weird stuff and hope that it looks cool on camera. So I'm noticing when I do this, you gotta move a little slow or else it'll be like overly blurry. So I don't know, I'm gonna give you guys a look and tell me what you think. So it's like if I move too fast, like I'm gonna do one where I'm moving faster. So I'm just gonna like go forward and just, right? Then I'm gonna go forward and then just go slower. So let's look at the difference. That's the slower one. This one's kind of like, so I guess faster is better. So let's do it faster and see if this is better shots. Okay, well, that's all we got here. So that was a little bit of a disaster, but it's okay. That's the beauty of it. We go with the flow and we go from there. So, anyways, now we're going to start looking at them and see if we can get a diamond out of this mess and go from there. So now it's time to go through these photos and see if we have absolutely anything. So here we go. So yeah, this is very interesting looking already. I don't have to do a crap load of editing. I tell that much. This one doesn't look terrible, but the yeah, we're just gonna go through them and just see what we find.